So today we will be learning and conquering to convert from Cartesian to polar. So I know this is kind of like easy, but I'm going to help you anyway. So there's a formula for it, of course, which is, I wrote it like 3 times here. Y equals r sine theta, and x equals r cosine theta. So basically, the point of converting from Cartesian to polar is that you plug this into x and y's and you get it to polar. So we're going to do that with number 1. So we're going to put r, not effective pen, we're going to convert, we're going to put r cosine theta into this x here, substituted, times r sine theta equals 4. And just factor out the r, so you'll have cosine theta times sine theta equaling 4. And then you divide cosine theta, sine theta from both sides, divided from this side, and then from this side. So you'll have r equals 4 sine theta cosine theta. And that is how you convert from Cartesian to polar here. Now let's try something a little bit more challenging, which is number 2. So, of course, plug r sine theta, r cosine theta into this x here. So you'll have r cosine theta squared plus r sine theta squared equals 2c r cosine theta. And just factor out r squared from here, and you'll be left with cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 2cr cosine theta. Now for here, cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta, we know this, I draw my brackets really badly, equals 1. So in this case, r squared times 1 is just r squared. And you'll be left with r squared equals 2cr cosine theta. And from here, just divide r from both sides. So you'll have r equals 2c cosine theta. And this for here is how you convert from Cartesian to polar. So now I hope you've conquered Cartesian to polar. As you can see, it's quite simple and you don't need to put much effort because it's here. There's a formula. Plug this into x and y's and solve for r, and there you go. That is how you convert from Cartesian to polar. So now I hope you've conquered this lesson today. Bye.